If you're trying to start making money online but feel like you need a ton of equipment, I'm going to show you exactly what you actually need and what you don't. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is thinking they need a full setup before they start. Expensive gear, perfect conditions. But the truth is, you can start with very basic tools. The first thing you need is simple: a laptop or even just a phone. Most of what you'll be doing, writing, posting content, can be done from either. You don't need a high-end computer. Next is audio. If you're making videos, clear audio matters more than visuals. You can use your phone mic or a simple budget microphone. Clean audio equals better retention. You don't need expensive software. You can use free tools like CapCut. This lets you edit videos, add captions, create content quickly. This is all you need to start posting. This is underrated. You just need stable internet and a quiet place to work. Nothing fancy. Consistency matters more than environment. Once you start making money, you can upgrade. Better microphone led income. But don't start here. Earn first, then upgrade. You don't need expensive cameras, fancy studio advanced software. Those things come later. If you want the exact beginner setup I recommend, I put everything into a simple list. It's linked in the description.